For this project, our challenge was to create an accurate 3D model from a 50-year-old, handmade drawing. Project steps include creating a 3D model out of an old handmade 2D drawing from 1973 with the exact dimensions given in the 2D drawing to check for consistency and snail shape of flow characteristics. Complete. Add drafts and dress-up features to get the casting model. Complete. Compare the new built 3D model with the scanned casting faces. Complete. Finishing the casting and machining model for customer approval and tooling production. Complete. This water pump project came together perfectly. To start, we had a drawing but no model. So we reverse engineered a 3D CAD model from a 50-year-old drawing combined with actual castings. Project successfully completed.
To learn more about Anderson Global, check out our website at www.andersonglobal.com. You can also find us on our LinkedIn page or our YouTube channel. See you next week.